Hi everyone, I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration about how to make a screencast. That's a screen recording with Screencast-O-Matic, which is a free tool that's very useful. In this video, I'm only going to record the screen and my narration. So here's how it works. I typed in the web address of screencast-o-matic.com and I found that I was still logged in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Start Recording for Free button here. And I'm going to launch the free recorder. It's asking me if I can go ahead and do that. And I've told it to go ahead. So this is what the recorder looks like. It's essentially a dotted line that is the frame, and anything that you place within this frame is what will be recorded. So I'm going to go ahead and line up the frame, and you can click and drag the handles in order to resize or reshape the frame. And then here is the main recording panel. And you can see it's pretty simple. You have a choice of to record the screen, a webcam, or both. I'm just recording the screen. If I used a webcam, a little picture of me would appear over in the corner, wherever you want to put it. But I just want to record my PowerPoint and my narration. So now what I'm going to do then is I'm going to bring up my PowerPoint. I already had it opened, actually. So I'm just going to click on my PowerPoint, and you can see it comes up, and I'm going to actually resize now the handles so that just the screen is what's in the frame. Okay, so I resize my handles, and now all I have to do is click record and start speaking. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to pretend I'm narrating. So what you would do is you would look at your slide, speak to it, make any comments that you would, and then move on to the next slide. Instead of using the slideshow view, I like to keep it in the normal view with the list of slides over on the left, and I can just click on the slide that I want to come to the forefront of the video. That way I see what's coming next. I'm not surprised. Sometimes when you're in the slideshow view, you're not sure what your next slide is. So, all right, I'm going to click record, and it's going to give me a quick countdown. And then when I'm all done recording, I'm going to tell it to stop. So here I go. 3, 2, 1. So part of the periodic table of elements includes the alkaline earth metals. And these are the second column on the periodic table. Part of group 2. They are reactive metals that are always combined with nonmetals in nature. And these metals can be very important for humans. For instance, magnesium and calcium, which are essential to our physical well-being, are part of this group of alkaline earth metals. Okay, so I recorded or narrated to my slide, and now I'm just going to move down here, and I'm going to click this pause button. Notice the counter is telling me how long I was recording. And when I do that, I get this done button. I also, if I didn't like what I had, I could throw it away and start over, but I'm going to go ahead and click the done button. And then I'm going to choose to save upload. And what I'm going to do, actually, is I'm going to save this as a video file on my computer. I'm going to then upload it to YouTube, but just in case anything goes wrong in that upload process, I like to save it as a video that I have. So it's an MP4, which is a very compatible format. I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to call it the periodic table of elements. And then I'm going to, for now, I'm just going to store it on my desktop. And I'm going to click the Publish button. And you can see that right now, the little video that I made has been converted. and I'm going to say done. And then I'm going to go ahead and minimize, just so we can take a look here. Minimizing everything that's on my screen. And I'm going to, here we go, minimize this, and here's my file right here, and I'm just going to double click it. And you can see that right here I can drag and rewind, I can fast forward, I can use this button here to pause or play. So when a student views this, they have control to go back and forth and use this player. It's pretty nice, I think, overall. So that is just a quick tour of how to create a screencast in Screencast-O-Matic. They have terrific, easy to follow tutorials as well, which I will put a link to. I hope this was helpful, and my next video will show you how to add yourself, the little picture of yourself, into the recording as well. Until then, see you soon.